For today's exercise, we're jogging here at Valencia City Boulevard. As you can see around, this is designed specifically to or for the people of Valencia City. I guess the purpose of this is for the people in this community to be healthy, because this place was really designed for jogging. As you can see here, this is what you can say. The name of this place is Valencia City Boulevard. That's Pulangi River there, and if you turn around, you can see the sugarcane plantation, and that is Mount Calayo. We call here in our place Muswan Peak. So that's it. I'm doing jogging alone so that I can complete my 40 kilometers around 40 step for this week's challenge. Kudos to the Health and Wellness of Adventist Medical Center Valencia City for initiating this such a wonderful and beautiful health exercises and health reform, especially to all the workers of AMCV. To my team, Little Hands Buddies, I'm here alone. I don't know wherever you are. As long as we are doing our task to exercise. Actually, I'm not feeling well today because I have a hard cough. I have a high, a little bit above the borderline of what we call this infection. I got fever last night, yesterday, and also Friday. Today, I do not love that sickness.
Behind the Smart Companion, your average pace is 18 minutes and 7 seconds.
I encourage everyone, especially to those 40 above, to go jogging exercise. That's it. I'm encouraging everybody, especially those 40 and above, right? It's high time to do exercise, jogging, walking. At least you can maintain 40 steps every week. That can help you a lot. It can reduce your weight. Now I have a colleague who loses at least 15 kilos of weight, and he's a little bit obese, but he's doing walking, sometimes mountain climbing, and every outdoor activities you love to. And of course, you have to maintain your rice intake because that will also trigger you to becoming more bigger. Exercise daily because this can help a lot, especially if we have health challenges. Thank you very much. This is Tatay B, Tatay Mervin, encouraging all of you to please do exercise every day. And from the Health and Wellness Department of Adventist Medical Center Valencia City, encouraging everybody, every workers, to please actively participate these activities that we are doing, because this can help a lot. This can help you. This can boost your immune system. Oh yeah, I really love walking this time. By the way, I'm doing this to complete my 40,000 steps this week, because all of my friends, all of my colleagues has already reached 40,000 steps. Wow, amazing. But for me, I don't know, such a busy week, so barely I can't walk and jog. Just this 2 to 3 days ago that I intentionally walk because of some health reasons. Even that's what I have filmed a while ago, that I have pumped for about 3 days now, doing moderate fever. You can notice my voice that it has husky like Rod Stewart, but that's not a hindrance to do this exercise. Inviting all once again to please do exercise. This can help a lot. This can boost your immune system, and especially those who has age challenges. Do exercise every day. That is what I can encourage you to participate. I see water in there. We'll go there and we will zip a little bit, and then you know that water is for drinking. Whether that's for drinking or not, we will drink, because it has, as jogging has dried my throat. I know this is clean, and locals here are using water for drinking in this place. Right, we will sip some water here. That's right. Amazing. refreshing water. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please do share if you love this kind of activities that I'm doing right now.